This is a video just to demonstrate how we can restore the wear layer on luxury vinyl tile. This is a Karndean Victorian oak tile that has got some scratches on, and we're going to restore this. We're going to completely rid this tile of scratches. So what we'll do is we'll come back to this once we have done it, and you'll be able to see how well the tile looks then. So several hours later, we now return back to the same tile. I can assure you this is the same tile, believe it or not, and you can see, remember them scratches? They're all gone. The wear layer has been restored. The product we have used basically fills those scratches and kind of masks the imperfections on the tile. So I'm not going to say it's like a brand new tile, but it's very, very close. You can see the reflection there. But there you go. So you don't necessarily have to rip up your floor and replace. Now we can simply use a product which repairs the wear layer.